Good afternoon, guys. My name is Miss Camila. Today we are doing our learning class. This is our class number 5. Today we are going to talk about different topics. In this case, we have 4 topics. We are going to talk about quantifiers. There is a difference between the quantifiers much, many, and a lot of, and quantifiers too much, too many, and enough. Then after that, we are going to talk about singular and plural. We are going to talk about different rules and the difference between singular and plural. And also we are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay? Well, in this case, we're going to talk first about quantifiers, much, many, and a lot of. So much is an uncountable noun. We are going to see 2 examples, okay? I don't have much milk. Uncountable noun. Why? Because we cannot count the milk. We are going to see it in the next slides, okay? There isn't much left, right? Let's see, many. Many is an uncountable noun. Sorry, it is a countable noun. We are going to see 2 examples. Also, we are going to see 2 examples. For example, number 1, I don't have many friends and there aren't too many people here, right? Let's see the next one. A lot of, this is the last quantifier from the first phase we are going to see. Okay? A lot of, we can use it as an uncountable noun and just a plural countable noun. Okay, you do not forget that we can just use it as a countable noun just for plural, no singular. Okay, so match, we can use it for uncountable noun, many for countable noun, a lot of, we can use it for uncountable noun, and just plural countable noun. Okay, we're going to see 2 examples also. I don't have a lot of milk in the fridge or refrigerator. And let's see the next one. There are a lot of people outside. See, we can use a lot of as a countable noun, but just a plural, people. We are not saying person, we're saying people. Okay? Many and much, we can use it with negative sentence, or even we can use it for interrogative form as a questions. And a lot of, we also use it for positive sentences. In many cases, we use a lot of for positive sentences, and much, many, we use it for negative sentences and questions, interrogative form and negative form. And a lot of, we can use it for positive form, okay? Many and much can also be used in positive sentences, but we are going to see it in another lesson, okay? Let's go to quantifiers as too much and too many, and of course, enough. Okay? Too much, too many, enough. For too much, and too many, we use it for something that is more than we want or we need. Okay? We can use it with adjectives, uncountable noun, or after verb and plural noun. Let's see some examples. 2, we use it plus an adjective as this cake is too sweet. You are too strict. Let's see the next one. Too much. Too much, we can use it with uncountable noun and after verb. Let's see these examples. You have too much free time, or you work too much, right? Let's see too many. Too many, we can use it with a plural noun. Let's see the examples. You eat too many eggs. See? There were too many people. This is our plural noun, people, and eggs. Which one is our countable noun or after verb for too much? Too much, 3 times. This is an after verb, all right? An adjective, too sweet or too strict. We are talking about adjectives, okay? Let's see, not enough and enough. Let's see the difference between these two. Something is less than we want or we need. Not enough. Not enough means that something is less than we need or we want, okay? Not enough, we can use it with a noun, we can use it with an adjective, plus enough, and we can use it with a verb, plus enough, right? Let's see, not enough plus noun. They don't have enough workers. See, we have worker as a noun. I didn't have enough time. Time is our noun. Let's see, not enough plus adjective plus enough. Sorry, not plus adjective plus enough. She isn't old. That is our adjective. Enough. Okay. Not is, she is not. We have it as a contraction, but is she is not. Old is our adjective. And enough is our enough part to both. Let's see the next one. I am not fast, adjective, enough for the team. Not plus verb plus enough. I don't sleep enough. I do not sleep, verb, enough. Let's see the next one. You didn't study enough. You did not study, verb, enough. All right. Let's see, something is a correct number or amount. That is enough. Enough is that is something is a correct number and the correct amount. Okay. Let's see, we have 3 different ways to use it. Enough plus noun, adjective plus enough, verb plus enough. Let's see the first one. All right? The first one says enough plus noun. I earn enough money. Money is our noun. We have enough chairs. Chair is our noun, right? Adjective plus enough. This place is big. That is our adjective. Enough. You are clever. Adjective plus enough to see it. Verb plus enough. I think I sleep. Sleep. Verb. Enough. He eats, verb, enough for his age. All right, so let's review a little bit more. Too much, too many, and too. We have this 3. We can use it for something that is more than we want or we need. Not enough. Not enough. We use it for something that is less than we want or we need, right? It's less, menos, all right? And enough. Enough is something that is in the correct number or the correct amount. It's just what we need or what we want, okay? Let's go to singular and plural. First, we're going to see some examples. What is singular? Singular refers to one person, one place, or one thing. A cat, a house, a mango. Just one thing, just one, uno, okay? Plural refers to more than one person, one place, or one thing. More than one. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100. Okay. Let's see. Cats. We have 2 cats. Houses. 2 houses. Mangoes. 2 mangoes. Okay. Plural, 2 or more. Dos o más. Singular, just one. Uno. Let's see the rules for singular and plural. We have for singular, we have, well, we are going to read the rules first, and then we are going to see the examples. Okay. Nouns ending in S, X, Z, SH, and CH. For singular, let's see. Bus, box, plural. So these are the all the words, all the rules that we have. We can use it for nouns. All right. So we are going to see the word in the base form, like the normal word as a bus or box. And then we are going to see the rules to change this noun from singular to plural. Okay, so we have singular, bus, box. So the rules are that we will need to add an es at the end of the noun if a noun is ending in s, x, z, sh, and ch, just as bus, buses, box, boxes. Nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel. Let's see. Toy, toys. We just add an S. No ES. We just add an S. Toy, toys. Boys. Sorry. Boy, boys. Sorry, it's not an S here. Noun ending in O. Okay. Hero, heroes. Tomato, tomatoes. Noun ending in F or FE. Leaf, knife. Leaf, leaves. We change it for B for VES. VES. All right. Knife, knives. Okay. Let's see irregular plural forms. Well, we have irregular just as we have verbs. So for verbs, we already know that there is regular and irregular verbs. All right. For irregular forms, we have mouse and tooth. These are irregular forms. All right. So for mouse, we have mice. For tooth, we have teeth. Compound nouns. Passerby, passerby. It's just the same thing. The compound nouns are just the same thing, okay? Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. What is the difference between the first one and the second one? They are the same thing, but what change? That we do not add an S at the end of it, at the end of the noun. We add an S at the end of the first word. All right. So passerby, passers-by. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. All right. Nouns ending in US. Cactus, cacti. Focus, fussy. Right? Nouns ending in IS. Teases, teases. Bases, bases. All right? And nouns with the same singular and plural noun, we do not have. All right? It's deer If we want to say it in plural, it's deers, sheep, sheeps, fish, fishes. All right? So we already got the rules. Oh, what happened? All right. Countable and uncountable nouns. This is the part where I told you we are going to review about countable and uncountable nouns. All right? Sorry. Okay. Countable and uncountable nouns. The countable nouns have a singular and plural form and can use a singular verb or plural verb. All right? Have a singular and plural form, a tree or two trees. Can use as a singular verb or plural verb. The book is old. The books are old. See, we can use it as a singular and as a plural. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, well, we already know that countable nouns are the ones we can count, and the uncountable nouns are the ones that we cannot count. So the uncountable nouns have only one form, that is no plural. All right? For example, let's see. Butter, butters. And we always can use a singular verb. All right? Sugar is sweet. See, we always can use a singular verb. And cannot use the article a, an, or a number before them. All right? Let's see. A rice, a bread, we cannot use it. To rice, to bread. We cannot use it. Why? Because it's not a uncountable noun. Okay? Is an uncountable noun. We cannot count the rice. We cannot count the bread. We cannot count the water, soda, coffee. We cannot count these things. Okay? So, uncountable nouns are often abstract ideas that we, of course, cannot touch, made of smaller parts, as a sugar, rice, salt, sand, flour, dirt, dust, traffic, grass, spaghetti, for example, and some food. The foods are cut in small parts, just a bread, fish, cheese, chocolate, meat, bacon, fruit, or ham. Okay? Liquid and gases, that's what I was telling you just right now. Water, milk, wine, oil, coffee, rain, soup, air, smoke, blood, juice, and fog. All right? Materials, let's see materials. Just wood, we cannot count wood. We cannot count glass, paper, gold, silver, ice, iron, cotton, wool, steel. Okay, we cannot count these things. And we have to be, at the end of it, we have to be careful with the uncountable in English. Why? We cannot count furniture, muebles, advice, consejos, work, trabajo, news, noticias, information, información, luggage, maletas y todo esto, and money, dinero. We are going to see, just for food, we are going to see examples for countable and uncountable nouns. For countable nouns, we have burgers. We can count burgers. Burgers, sandwiches, hot dogs, cherries, apples, grapes, orange, olives, and watermelons. We can count these things. We can say I have 2 burgers, 2 sandwiches, 3 hot dogs, 4 apples, 5 oranges. All right. Uncountable nouns: bread, fruit, juice, meat, rice, cereal, milk, coffee, and tea. We cannot say I have 1 bread. No. Or I have 2 fruits. What fruits do you have? I have 1 juice. We cannot measure how much juice we have. Meat, rice, cereal, milk, coffee, and tea. All right. So these are the foods that we can talk about countable and uncountable nouns. All right, guys. So we are done with the class. Well, we're done with the lesson.